healers on that side.
That
But
does
Aaron
make a
said-
lot more sense.
But Aaron said he wanted to be right side.
Well, I think we just need a executive decision, like overwrite Aaron.
Oh,
Shield. Shield.
This quit you over. Oh, you're on the other side.
make sure you bring it closer so that it dies. Like,
Why are you calling it out on me?
not that close. Oh, whatever. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
I was like, where would he be?
It's just funny. You got rough, Sean. You move out. Oh wait, you're not near me.
I don't know. Shit.
Shut up and keep doing 140k DPS. Fucking OP mages.
This next engineer's the second one.
Focus engineer here on right
We
side.
should kill the guard first. Or the bellows
Shield.
first.
Okay, then we can like
Shield.
split it. Go back and bellows, I
Get
guess.
focus engineer and start killing him and then pull him.
I was just copying Dan's
He's
side.
getting left. We want to pull him now.
Stun. Kill.
So do we not DPS engineer here, Roger, or would you?
Finish off the bellow.
Alright, next bag is bag X.
We wait, I guess.
We wait.
Shield.
Kill it right away.
Shield.
Why?
Shield.
So we have more bombs.
Shield.
Okay.
I don't fucking know what's going on.
Yeah. I don't know.
Third bellow. The second bellow needs to die.
Side bags.
Is it like worth breaking now though? I feel like we wait
Might
too
get
long.
an extra security guard on your side, Hank, just to let you know.
Okay, I got him. Oh my god, no! Oh, I got him. Nice.
The engineer's at 30. Get ready when it gets low. Shield, shield.
This just puts us like so far behind, I feel like.
Yeah, I don't know.
Now kill it. And now put them in.
I'm just getting wrecked.
And we should both be done on the next bomb.
Side bag.
Shield.
And get phase 2.
Alright, I'm leaving this side. Goodbye, friends.
My people need me!
Blazing amp the next blast in like 10 seconds.
Take one of those guards from you, Imp.
Slag's marked.
You can grab these guards from me. Actually, I'm taking the one from you, Hat.
You're crazy, man. Come on, I'm not taking anything.
Oh,
The
okay.
ruptures. Get the ruptures to the side.
Did we break the first elemental?
It's broken, yeah. Squish has it in.
Alright, I'm taking
Second one
these.
spawning soon.
Oh, what are you guys doing? Just let me kick these engineers. I mean guards.
I got 3 thread
The
off
elemental's
to
about to
you.
go down.
It's down,
You
get ready,
to go on
primal.
elementals?
Did we break
And
the second
attack.
one?
On the prime list.
I break the second one and bring it in and get it cleaved.
Get purple in. Save
be res
cooldowns for the
forward.
second one, be res. Get ready to
Not
kill purple.
their
Focus
number 2.
purple.
Fire call on my face.
Keep
Beating
the
me on the
dispels
face.
and
No.
one more. Purple's almost dead. Kill the primal.
Sorry about that.
Once the primal's dead, clean up the fire collars and move to the next one.
Who's next, right?
Oh wow,
Kill.
okay, boink nowhere.
Fire
Green's the
collars in
next one,
5
right?
seconds.
Green's first.
Yeah.
Kill green. It's blowing up.
Colors are out.
Pop everything. Try to kill this fast. 1.
Sorry, Roger, watch out.
I don't have it.
Kill purple inside.
Purple's going down.
I think I lost the green mark roll.
Fuck, purple got healed.
Oh,
It
Primal's-
exploded. It's good.
that's still low enough. We're good.
Two fire colors out.
Oh, there's green. I found it. It's on some. If it ever gets unmarked like that, that's super annoying.
Yo, I'm dropping a rupture in the back here. Get out of it.
Camping. Kill green. Oh, it's on it. Shield's on green. This is.
I got it.
Alright, it's out. Good job.
One purple out.
Green's going down soon.
I'm dead. Fuck.
Res that man. We have a res. Get ready to kill this primal. Go, go, go. Blaze an Amethyst Blast.
Hack, can you sack me?
Yep.
And good cleave on purple. Finish it off.
It's going down.
Alright, just finish off Skull.
Got 4 guards up right now.
Finish off Skull. You can start cleaving onto, like, if we need to kill guards or something.
Bring the guards back in right now, Imp, because we're gonna kill Skull here and we'll cleave everything down.
Cleave everything down. Get ready to get the last primal.
If you're triangle or purple, you
Move,
can
move,
bring your
move to
shit out
next.
of the AoE. That's
Weird.
what
Purple.
elemental is.
Oh, there's green. Green is it. Blazing.
Fire colors.
We killing green now or what?
Yep,
Green.
kill green.
Need
So I have 2
heal.
colors on
Alright, it's
me.
dying.
Primal
Dirty
elemental.
kill. Primal go. Get this primal lower than 50.
Purple should bring theirs in. Cercia.
I have mine.
I'm
as well.
interrupted.
Hellstone's here, probably?
Shield breaking on
Yeah.
you?
Use HPs.
Don't
Okay,
stand
purple's
in
in,
this when
guys.
it
Kill
blows
purple.
up.
New fire colors.
You ready to go back in elemental?
Alright, ready? Ellie, Ellie, Ellie.
Elementalist. This is gonna be like same as heroic.
Yeah, get to
All
the
range
corners.
to get to the back.
Which
The
corner
other
are
corner
we
on the
starting
other
from?
side?
The
Which
one where
corner
over
now?
where we are.
Over where we are, yeah.
The one red. Okay.
Get really far in the back.
Kill fire colors and security guards first,
Saying
guys.
range, get back
Fire
here.
colors and security guards first. Don't even worry about the boss.
Be spread from volatiles, shields.
Got him first.
Be
Imp.
spread for. If you have fixate, do not stand on the group.
Set
There's
head.
2 security guards up. I'm gonna.
I'll try to call
need
out
to take
melts if I see a
anything
melt on not.
Yes,
get
you're
to
gonna
the corner.
taunt when I tell you to on the big boss.
Is that all I'm doing?
Yep, taunt now. Take the boss.
Set
Okay.
max.
Amp, how your security guards doing?
Not
2
on
left,
push.
2 left. 1 left.
Tanking them a bunch of shit or something.
I can tank the boss if you want. Just grab
Get
this
ready
guy.
for the boss next after he gets his
Not on
second
pokey.
Shay.
Get to the
Start
corner.
moving.
stack.
Waiting for it.
It's fine.
Taunting the
It's
boss.
out. Not on Insom.
I have a res in 20 seconds from the getting up.
Try.
Bat or drool? Make a decision now.
Well, we
Move.
got 20 seconds. Let me see.
Not on
Mike's
biscuit.
stacks.
We need more room for this because of the
I'll get you in
Cleave.
seconds, baby.
Spread if you have
Max taunt as
fixates.
soon as your stacks fall off.
More room still? I don't. Okay.
Drool up.
Taunt now, Max.
No, Aaron.
Healers let us know when to amp.
Make sure you're second potting as well if you have it.
My chunk's up.
I would save it till it gets lower.
Really? Okay.
Yeah,
Oh,
no,
we
no,
should
I
check
meant
them
for
out
you.
As
first.
soon as your stacks drop off.
move.
taunt.
Need a move.
Not on Imperial.
I got the boss.
Okay, good.
Well, revival's on cooldown, so.
I got 48 seconds.
Let's
Be
amp and
slightly
trank
spread.
the next AoE, okay? Amp trank next AoE.
Max, get ready to taunt in 6 seconds.
Amp and trank.
I have
I got
melts.
it.
Taunt
If
now.
you don't have fixate, you can be right on the back of the boss. If you
I still have it. I'm gonna use it.
Cercia, get back.
I had melt.
When's lust up?
46
Second.
seconds.
Space.
Taunting in 3 seconds max.
Signals if you have fixates on a blast.
Imp PS Ampzilla.
No, don't blazing.
Oh my god, I'm dead. Whatever, I'll drop it in there. That works.
Move.
Out on me.
Stay
Less
calm.
than 20. Survival.
Get ready to taunt Max.
When do you want me to use my shit? Imperial.
Now.
16 seconds almost.
Well, just whenever Squish calls for it.
When do you want me to amp?
I have
Amp,
Avenging
amp,
Wrath
amp,
up
amp.
if you want to amp now.
We're like dead right now.
That's it, do it, QQ.
Taunting in 5 seconds.
Lust is up.
Yeah, I used it.
Lust.
Hellstone, or, yeah. Taunting.
Out on me. Move up.
I'm running my own shit.
I'm dead.
Pop all your personals on this next blast.
All your personals, guys.
Self heals, whatever you got.
Come on, Kento. You got this.
Come on, guys. Keep it going.
Come on!
Kento's got this.
Kill.
Yeah!
Nice. Easy.
Nice.
Fucking game, boys.
Oh my god.
Holy dude.
See you guys on Tuesday.